Hey friends, I'm Ali from Kaelo. Today I'm here to show you how you can guarantee the best wine experience possible using your Kaelo. Everyone knows how delicious the first perfect sip of wine, water or beer is. Kaelo is here so you can enjoy that feeling for the whole bottle, not just the first glass. Let's dive in. Everything with Kaelo is designed to make things easy. All you need are these. To start your Kaelo experience, open a cold bottle and put it in your Kaelo. To turn your Kaelo on, simply tap once anywhere on the crown. To turn off, simply hold your finger down on the crown and release when the lights go out. If you forget to turn it off, Kaelo will automatically turn itself off after 2 hours. To change the lights on your Kaelo, simply tap 3 times. When it flashes, keep tapping until you find the vibe you like. Kaelo will remember that colour or effect until you change it, regardless of your temperature mode. With the new Kaelo Plus, you can now choose between 3 temperature modes. Every time you turn on your Kaelo, it will always be in Kaelo mode. If you're drinking something chilled, this is what you want. It'll keep your drink at that perfect temperature. To change between modes, simply hold your finger on the crown. Stop on red for red wine, Aqua blue for boost, and back to white for Kaelo mode. Red wine mode does what it says on the tin. It will keep your red wine at its perfect temperature. Hold your finger down until the light turns red. That's it. Now you're in red wine mode. If your bottle isn't quite cold enough, this is for you. Boost mode will chill a bottle by 3 to 4 degrees over half an hour, and then put itself back into Kaelo mode. To get to boost, hold your finger down until the light turns blue. Boom. Now you are in boost mode. If you've had too many glasses and you forget what mode you're in, tap on your Kaelo once and it will give you a cheeky wink to let you know what mode you're in. Same colours as before, red for red wine, blue for boost, white for Kaelo mode. And remember, Kaelo will always keep your drink at the temperature you put it in at. Long story short, if you're drinking cold drinks, leave it in Kaelo mode. For reds, switch it to red wine mode. And that's it. Enjoy using your Kaelo. Cheers!